Hello boys and girls, today I'll be unboxing this Huawei Mate 10, released in October of 2017, and really this is the last kind of generation of phones that has a 16:9 ratio. I'm actually filming from a Huawei Mate 10 right now, to be honest. I just bought this from eBay. I'm gonna sell it in Hong Kong, and just as a spare. As you can see here, it's a Huawei Mate 10 ALP L29 in a Mocha Gold edition, and it comes with the upgraded 6GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. Alright, let's see the outer packaging. Outer packaging looks nice and sleek, a square box. Nothing on the side except the label. The back just says safe fast charging, and then all this rest of the information on the right hand side. So I'm going to cut it open now. Do I need a pair of oh, this feels so good to open it. I thought I was going to need my box cutter then, but I'll do it one-handed. Oh, brand spanking new, still in box. Let's look at this, shall we? Wow, look at the phone itself. So nice and elegant in design. It's the phone itself with all the plastic film backing from the manufacturer, and then the dual Leica lens, and then this is the 16:9 LCD screen. And what else do we have in the box? Let me just see. Oh, look at that! It opens like that. Okay, and there's a little tab here. Wow, comes with a phone case as standard, and also a European style plug. Oh yeah, I suppose I bought it from Hong Kong, didn't I? Probably came from China. A quick charge cable and a standard pair of earphones. Looks quite nice. Wow. Reminds me of the Apple earphones. Oh. And then let me see if I can switch this on and see if there's any batteries in it. Hold down the power button. Oh, there you go. Huawei, powered by Android. It's going to make a really big noise now, isn't it? Wow. Dun 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 dun. It's just on the, let me see, English, UK, United Kingdom, next. And then yeah, I don't read any of that. Let's see, blah 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 blah. Next, skip, no SIM card, and new device, and then skip it. Let's skip all that for now. Skip. I'll just skip all this, man. Skip. No thanks. Later. Update manually. Oh, there you go. Let's see what version we're running on now. Should be Android 10. There you go, Android 10. Wow, this is great. So Android 10, running EMUI version 10. The latest update for this phone, I believe, so the one I'm filming on actually runs on EMUI 12, and it gets rid of the Android version, so it's not Android anymore. So this is running a processor of a Kirin 970. So it's a Huawei in-house CPU plus GPU chip, RAM 6GB, obviously 128 total resolution, Android patch level 2020. So it's not actually not too bad, And then I don't know whether we can unlock the development mode. And there you go, we are the development mode. I think the first thing I always do is to make the DPI a bit better in terms of actually being able to see things. So I usually make this 500. There you go, that's so much better. You can actually see things now. Wow, that's great. Absolutely great. Wow. And the startup sound. There you go. Always turn off the startup sound. There you go. I don't need everyone to know about my startup. And then that's about it, to be honest. Nothing more I can show you. Wow, I forgot how fast this phone was. Brand new. This is nice. Well, that's it.